Hi there, my name's VoiceOver Guy, and welcome to another exciting installment of the CBR project. We start where we left off last time, with the front mudguard. If you remember, it had taken a bit of a beating. It looks like some bozo tried moving the bike with the disc lock still on. So, how did it turn out? You know the old saying, a blind man would be glad to see it, and a man running for his life wouldn't notice it. Ha ha ha, I'll let you be the judge of that. It looks like a bit has been stuck in and then some paint chucked on top. Yeah, that just about covers it. Okay, what have we got here? Oh yeah, the rear wheel. If I remember, it looked like it had been on the bottom of the ocean for a few years. Well, without getting too close, I'd have to say, it looks okay. But, like I said, without getting too close. Okay, it looks okay-ish close up too. Okay, I guess we're going to look at some more bits that needed spraying. That frame, or chassis where I come from, looks like it's got some kind of disease. It reminds me of when I was at college and had an encounter with, actually, I'm not going to go there. And the other side of the frame. But wait, spot the difference. This one's got paper towels taped to it. Oh, I wonder where this is going. The excitement is too much to bear. And look, as if by magic, the frame's painted. Well, at least the bits you can see. I guess it looks okay. I do seem to recognize that color though. And the other side. Yeah, that looks a lot less nasty. You'd think it had been on antibiotics. Hey, who fancies a change of tunes? Yeah, me too. That'll do, for now. Oh look, the new swing arm's been fitted. I guess it looks okay. And the new shock too. And the linkage to finish off a whole new rear end setup. Someone got lazy and bought another exhaust header, rather than repair the old one. No doubt it was cheap off eBay, like most things on this bike. But, when you compare them side by side, the new one does look nice. So, I guess I'm with the lazy guy.
Hey Artie, your tea's ready. Will you hurry up before it goes cold?
I'll be there in a tick, sweet cheeks. I gotta go, guys. The good lady's calling, and my stomach's rumbling. Maybe I'll see you again in part 6, if the loser making these videos can afford me. See ya.